Let me show you how to tie two color beautiful head wraps that you can wear to church or to work or even to any occasion of your choice. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. As you can see, I put the black one underneath and then I put the color red on top of it, and then I cross it at the back, tie it, and then I'm just twisting down. Then I use my hair tie to secure the head so that my twist doesn't come apart, and I repeat the same thing for the other side and hold it in place with my hair tie. Then I bring it to one side, both twist. I go in the same direction and it ended in the middle, so it's not going to go all the way to the back, so I just end it in the middle and then form like a dough knot shape, like a circular shape, and I'm going to be using my pin to hold it down just like that. And it looks so rough at the end, but we are going to make something out of it. So I open it up like a ruffle flowers and I use my brooch to beautify it. And guys, that's it. See how simple and beautiful this simple head wraps looks like. Look at the back, it looks good. And that's it. Beautiful head wrap. Thanks for watching. Please share this video. See you in my next video.